Hello, in this video we are going to talk about cohesion. Cohesion is a desire or attraction towards the group. It is based on creating friendly, caring, and close relationships among group members. It also involves enjoying the company and proximity of others. Since cohesion is an emotional state rather than a personality trait, it evolves over time. It's vital to help maintain its intensity through activities during the group formation. Furthermore, we must continuously develop and sustain cohesion while the group is active. When dissolving a group, it's crucial to navigate the existing relationships that have been formed. These connections cannot be abruptly terminated. Thus, we must facilitate a process of adaptation for the group, just as we did when it was created. In the same way that cohesion is promoted in the creation and maintained in the normal functioning of the team, people must also be accompanied in distancing themselves if the group dissolves at the end of the project. Supporting individuals in distancing themselves from close friends and comfortable working relationships is essential during this phase. I believe cohesion is necessary because it creates a psychologically safe environment within the group. This environment allows team members to freely express themselves, explore new approaches, learn, and share knowledge with others. In other words, it fosters cooperation and interaction, leading to an abundance of ideas and information sharing, ultimately enhancing the group's performance.